Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Mangesh Chavan, pursuing diploma in third year electrical engineering at Zil Polytechnic. Today, me and my group are presenting the presentation on transformer. As I given you introduction, let's move forward in content we are going to see in this presentation. Need of transformer, introduction, history, principle of transformer, construction and working of transformer, types of transformer, application of transformer, some information about auto transformer, and reference. What is in need of transformer? In most cases, appliances are manufactured to work under some specific voltage. Transformers are used to adjust the voltage to a proper level. The transformers are the basic component for transmission of the electricity. Transformer is used to step up or step down the electricity. By increasing the voltage, the loss of electricity in the transmission purposes is minimized. Introduction of transformer. Transformer is a static device. It transfers electrical energy from one part of electrical or electronic circuit to other part of circuit without changing the frequency. It works on Michael Faraday law of electromagnetic mutual induction. History of transformer. The first transformer was invented in 1885. Further in 1885, William Stanley made the transformer more particular due to some design change and developed a three-phase transformer. The design of William Stanley was first commercially used in the USA in 1886. Principle of transformer. It works on the principle of electromagnetic mutual induction. What is electromagnetic mutual induction? When the current is provided to a primary winding, it behaves as electromagnet due to the EMF is induced in the secondary winding as it comes in the area having magnetic field line due to primary winding. Vs is equal to Ns into d phi by dt. Vs is secondary winding voltage. Ns is equal to secondary winding turns. Construction of transformer. Transformer has laminated core. Cores are designed not to have current in it, but still there is a leakage current or the eddy current present in it. To minimize this current, the cores are laminated. Windings made up of copper or aluminum coated with very thin layer of insulation. Tank. The main function of converter tank of transformer is to provide space for expansion of oil inside the transformer. It is usually cylindrical or cubical. Isolation. It is provided by using synthetic oil between core and tank. Breather. When the temperature changes occur in transformer insulating oil, the oil expand or contract, and thus an exchange of air also occurs when transformer is fully loaded. When transformer gets cooled, the oil level goes down and air gets absorbed within. Types of transformer. On the basis of construction, there are three transformers: core type, shell type, and spiral core transformer. On basis of winding, there are three transformers: step up, step down, and isolation transformer. On basis of coolant material, there are three transformers: oil filled self cooling, oil filled water cooling, air blast. On basis of construction, core type transformer, its core has two limbs. The windings are wound on two limbs of core material. In cell type transformer, core has three limbs and two windows. Both the windings are wounded on the central limb. In spiral core transformer, the core constructed is similar to wheel of spoke. The windings are wound this spoke-like structure. On basis of winding, step of transformer, there the number of windings on primary side is less than the number of windings on secondary side. Np is less than Ns. Step down transformer, the number of windings on primary sides are more than the number of windings on the secondary side. Np is greater than Ns. In isolation transformer, the number of windings on primary side are equal to the number of windings on the secondary side. Np is equal to Ns. On basis of coolant, oil filled self cooling. Oil filled self cooling type use small and medium sized distribution transformer. Disassembled windings and core of such transformer are mounted in a welded oil tight steel tank provided with a steel cover. The oil helps in transferring the heat from the core and winding to case from where it is radiated out to the surrounding. Oil filled water cooled. This type is used for much more economic construction of large transformers. The cooling coil is mounted near the surface of the oil. There, though which cold water keeps circulating, the water carries the heat from the device. Air blast. This type is used for transforming that use voltage below 25,000 volts. This transformer is used at houses. Application of transformer. Transformer transmitting electrical energy over long distance through wires. Transformers with several secondaries are used in television and radio receivers where several different voltages are required. Use as voltage regulator. Use almost everywhere in day-to-day life. Autotransformer. Autotransformer has only one winding. The winding is common to both the primary and the secondary. The working principle is same as the normal transformer. Difference is that it has only one winding divided into primary and secondary. Advantage of autotransformer: less costly, better regulation, low losses as compared to ordinary two-winding transformer of the same rating. Disadvantage of autotransformer: an autotransformer does not provide electrical isolation between its windings. The secondary winding is not insulated from the primary winding. Used only in the limited place where a slightly variation of the output voltage from input voltage is required. Application of autotransformer: it is used as a starter to give up to 50 to 60% of full voltage to the starter of a squirrel cage induction motor during starting. It is used to give a small boost to a distribution cable to correct the voltage drop. Changing fan speed over a narrow range. We collect all the information from internet like Wikipedia, Google and other sites. Thank you everyone.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.